How to convert low quality videos to a 180p HD. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can convert your low quality videos to a high quality. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your Play Store first and you have to download Video Converter, Compressor. Once you have downloaded this app, tap on Open. At this page, you will see Convert or Compress. Then tap onto it. Give access to your storage device. Select any videos that you would like and tap onto Next. Here under Resolution, tap onto it and tap onto 180p. Once done, tap onto Convert. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.